Finding Peace in the Forest, an introduction to forest meditation. Forests have always been a sanctuary for those seeking solace and tranquility. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the gentle breeze create a symphony that calms the mind and soothes the soul. In this chapter we will explore the art of forest meditation, a practice that allows us to connect deeply with nature and find inner peace. The forest is a place of peace. It is a place to connect with nature. When we step into a forest, we leave behind the chaos of our daily lives. The dense canopy above and the soft forest floor beneath our feet create a cocoon of serenity. The forest invites us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to be present in the moment. It is in this stillness that we can truly connect with the natural world around us. Forest meditation helps us find that peace. It uses the forest to calm our minds. By immersing ourselves in the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest, we can let go of our worries and find a sense of calm. The practice of forest meditation involves mindful breathing, gentle movements, and a heightened awareness of our surroundings. As we sit or walk quietly in the forest, we allow nature to guide us into a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. We can practice forest meditation anywhere. A park with trees is a good start. Even if we don't have access to a dense forest, we can still experience the benefits of forest meditation in urban parks or green spaces. The key is to find a quiet spot where we can connect with nature, even if it's just a small patch of trees or a garden. By taking a few moments each day to meditate in these natural settings, we can bring a sense of peace and balance into our lives. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. As you inhale, imagine the fresh forest air filling your lungs, bringing with it a sense of calm and clarity. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress, allowing it to dissolve into the earth beneath you. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered, connected to the natural world around you. Let the forest soothe your soul. Forest meditation is a journey. It is a journey of self-discovery and healing, a path that leads us back to our true selves. As we spend time in the forest, we begin to notice the subtle changes in our mood and energy levels. We feel more relaxed, more present, and more in tune with the rhythms of nature. This journey is not about reaching a destination, but about enjoying the process and embracing the beauty of the natural world. It helps us find peace within. This peace can stay with us. The tranquility we experience during forest meditation can have a lasting impact on our lives. By regularly practicing this form of meditation, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace that stays with us, even in the midst of our busy and stressful lives. This inner peace can help us navigate challenges with greater ease and resilience, and bring a sense of harmony and balance to our daily routines. It can help us in our daily lives. The benefits of forest meditation extend beyond the time we spend in nature. By incorporating this practice into our daily lives, we can improve our mental and emotional well-being, enhance our focus and concentration, and foster a deeper connection with the world around us. Whether we are dealing with stress, anxiety, or simply seeking a moment of peace, forest meditation can be a powerful tool for healing and transformation. Nature's embrace. The connection between nature and relaxation. Nature has always been a sanctuary for the human spirit. From the rustling leaves to the chirping birds, every element of the natural world contributes to a sense of peace and tranquility. The connection between nature and relaxation is profound and deeply rooted in our history. Nature has a calming effect. It helps us relax. When we immerse ourselves in a forest, the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft murmur of a nearby stream can wash away the stresses of daily life. The fresh air, filled with the scent of pine and earth, invigorates our senses and brings a sense of clarity and calm. Being in nature can lower our stress. It can improve our mood. Studies have shown that spending time in natural settings can significantly reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. This reduction in stress can lead to improved mood, increased feelings of happiness, and a greater sense of well-being. The simple act of walking through a forest, listening to the birds, and feeling the earth beneath our feet can be incredibly therapeutic. Scientists believe nature is healing. Studies show time in nature reduces stress hormones. Research has demonstrated that spending time in green spaces can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and even boost our immune system. The practice of forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, has become popular in many cultures as a way to reconnect with nature and promote mental and physical health. Our blood pressure lowers, our heart rate slows. The soothing sounds of nature, such as the gentle flow of a stream or the rustling of leaves in the wind, can have a profound effect on our physiological state. These natural sounds can help to lower our heart rate and blood pressure, creating a state of deep relaxation and calm. Nature is a powerful healer. It reminds us to slow down. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Nature provides a much-needed respite, encouraging us to take a step back, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty around us. Whether it's through a quiet walk in the woods, a moment of meditation by a stream, or simply sitting and observing the natural world, nature has the power to heal and rejuvenate. It helps us appreciate the simple things. We can feel more connected to ourselves and the world around us. By spending time in nature, we can develop a greater appreciation for the simple things in life. The intricate patterns of a leaf, the vibrant colors of wildflowers, and the soothing sounds of a forest stream can remind us of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. This connection to nature can help us feel more grounded, more present, and more connected to ourselves and the world around us. The science of serenity benefits of forest meditation and yoga. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility is essential for our mental and physical well-being. Forest meditation and yoga offer a unique way to reconnect with nature and ourselves. Forest meditation has many benefits. It can reduce stress and anxiety. The natural environment, with its soothing sounds and fresh air, helps to calm the mind and body. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. This reduction in stress can lead to a more balanced and peaceful state of mind. It can improve our sleep. The serene atmosphere of the forest promotes relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, the practice of deep breathing exercises in a natural setting can enhance the quality of our sleep. It can boost our immune system. The phytoncides released by trees have been found to increase the activity of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in our immune defense. Yoga in the forest adds to these benefits. Gentle stretches in nature can relax our muscles. The combination of yoga and the natural environment creates a holistic experience that nurtures both the body and the mind. Practicing yoga outdoors allows us to connect with the earth beneath our feet and the sky above, enhancing our sense of grounding and presence. They can improve our balance. The uneven terrain of the forest challenges our stability, helping to strengthen our core muscles. They can increase our flexibility. The natural surroundings encourage us to move more freely and mindfully, promoting greater flexibility and range of motion. The fresh air and natural light also invigorate our practice, making it more enjoyable and effective. Combining meditation and yoga in the forest is powerful. It connects us with nature's healing energy. The synergy of these practices amplifies their individual benefits, creating a profound sense of well-being. The forest environment enhances our awareness and mindfulness, allowing us to fully immerse ourselves in the present moment. This deep connection with nature can lead to a greater appreciation for the world around us and a more harmonious way of living. It brings us peace and well-being. The sounds of birds chirping and leaves rustling create a natural symphony that soothes the soul. Engaging in these practices in a forest setting fosters a sense of community and shared experience, enhancing our social connections. Ultimately, forest meditation and yoga offer a sanctuary from the stresses of modern life, providing a pathway to inner peace and holistic health. A journey inward guided forest. Visualization and gentle stretches. Find a comfortable spot in the forest. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Imagine you are a tree. Feel your roots growing deep into the earth. Feel your branches reaching up to the sky. Gently stretch your arms overhead. Reach for the sky like the branches of a tree. Feel the stretch in your sides. Breathe deeply. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. This is mountain pose. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel your connection to the earth. Bend your knees and lower your hips. This is chair pose. Keep your back straight. Breathe deeply and hold the pose. Stand on one leg and place your other foot on your inner thigh. This is tree pose. Find your balance. Breathe deeply. Feel your connection to the earth. The symphony of senses, engaging with nature through sight and sound. Open your eyes. Look around at the trees. Notice the different shades of green. See the sunlight filtering through the leaves. Listen to the sounds of the forest. Hear the birds singing. Hear the wind rustling through the leaves, feel the fresh air on your skin, smell the scent of the trees and the earth. Engage all your senses in this moment. Cultivating mindfulness. Bringing awareness to each breath and movement. As you move through the forest, be mindful. Pay attention to each step. Feel your feet connecting with the ground. Notice the sensations in your body. Feel the stretch in your muscles. Feel the air filling your lungs as you breathe. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts or worries. Simply be present with the forest. Beyond the forest, integrating nature's wisdom into daily life. The peace we find in the forest can stay with us. We can bring it into our daily lives. Take a few minutes each day to connect with nature. Go for a walk in a park, sit under a tree, breathe deeply, and remember the peace of the forest. Nature's wisdom is always available to us. We just need to open our hearts and minds to receive it. Embrace the journey. A call to explore forest meditation and yoga. Forest meditation and yoga are journeys of self-discovery. They help us connect with our inner peace. They allow us to experience the healing power of nature. I encourage you to try these practices. Explore the peace and tranquility that await you in the forest. Embrace the journey and discover the transformative benefits of forest meditation and yoga.